Oh, so I came to the man's garage because there was something knocking in my there's something knocking in my exhaust, so we had to take it off and check it out. It's quite baffling how loud the knocking was. So this is the exhaust. My nipples are out. This is the exhaust, but we have to do a startup with the exhaust off. So if you don't mind just holding that and pointing to that finger. Oh shit, buddy. Double red? Have you read it?
Yeah. Bit different.
It's the next morning, so it's we're about to get a cold start going. Essentially, there was something knocking in my exhaust. We took it out after 4 snapped bolts and having to drill out and nut and bolt them. We fixed the knocking. It's quite baffling what difference that made. But yeah, it was just the knocking that we fixed now. The exhaust is not any louder, just a little bit under. It just sounds good when you're on the high roads. Delete the whole system.